89.5 My Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. And you're still jamming with me. My name's TJ Tommy G, the Hitman. This is the Morning Brew, October 27th edition. And right about now, we have Sir Jigs here at the station to tell you guys a little bit of something about Co-op Zumba 2015 by the Subic Bay Multipurpose Cooperative in cooperation, of course, with the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. All right, you go ahead. You tell them more about it.
Okay, good afternoon to all the listeners. We're inviting everyone there for the Co-op Zumba 2015.
Co-op Zumba 2015!
Opo,
alright. Sa mga mahilig mag-Zumba,
yeah,
ano? Ayan.
On October 29, dun po sa... Actually, it's a vacant road, yung daan between the main
Jollibee.
gate, mini stop, and Jollibee.
So that's where it's gonna be.
Doon po magsusumba from around 4:30 to 6
PM.
And then everyone is invited, lahat ng mga empleyado ng buong Freeport Zone. And then may konti kaming parapol sa lahat ng magjo-join.
May raffle.
Opo.
So all SBMA employees is what you're saying, or hindi lang sila,
Hindi lang SBM
pati public?
pati na rin po yung mga...
The public is invited. Wow, it's a free
Even
Zumba
the
for
ITAS,
everybody.
I invited
Oh,
the ITAS
nice.
to join
Tapos
us.
may paraffle pa, ha?
Opo,
Kakaibang
pero yung
Zumba to, ha?
Hindi naman madami yung raffle, pero kahit pa paano,
May
magpapasaya.
giveaways tayo, syempre naman. Yan.
And then there is also
Ang saya,
in cooperation with Ayala Mall, the
Ayala Harbor Point.
Opo.
Dahil that lot that you mentioned is just beside Ayala Mall Harbor Point, di ba? Doon
Yes, sir.
sa Jollibee doon sa labas.
Opo, yung instructor namin, nakikipag-usap na kami, pero most likely baka po provided ng Ayala Mall. Thank you, Sir Derek.
Yan. Alright. Also, isa sa mga kapatid natin sa SBMA, he can also lead the Zumba. Kaya niya eh. Si Mr. J. Sanggalang, if
Opo,
you're familiar with him.
eh.
Kaya rin niya. Yan.
Mali mo, di ba dalawa back to back?
Oh, okay. Mas masaya. Ayan.
And
Tapos
also,
ano
sir,
pa? Ano pa?
Kasi po, the October is hindi lang po buwan ng katutubo, kundi ito yung buwan ng
IP
kooperatiba.
month, yeah. Buwan din ng kooperatiba. Yeah. Marami tayong celebration for October.
Yes,
yeah.
sir. I mean, also inviting all the SBMPC member, lahat po ng member ng Subic Bay Multipurpose Cooperative.
Yung kooperatiba natin.
Meron pong free flu vaccine tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
Opo,
Flu
libre po yun.
vaccine.
Opo. Sa lahat ng miyembro po ng SBMPC, pupunta lang po sila doon from 9 a.m. up to 6 p.m.
9 a.m. to 6 p.m. at the co-op office?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right?
So, lahat po na nakikinig na miyembro,
Ng
punta
co-op.
na po kayo. Opo, bukas. From 9 a.m. up to 6 p.m., hanapin nyo lang po yung admin doon. Kung sino man, nandoon din po yung ETC, Education and Training Committee.
Yeah, that's all you
Headed by
gotta do.
Edmond. Opo.
Punta lang doon sa co-op office. Ayan.
Yes,
okay. Free flu vaccine. Nice.
Opo.
Ano pa?
And then meron din kami activity regarding the Co-op Singing Idol.
Wow.
Exclusive lang siya sa lahat ng miyembro na...
Co-op members.
Oo, naglulukuhan nga po kami, and then sinasabi ko, kakanta ka lang, meron ka ng consolation prize of 350.
Kakanta ka lang.
Oo,
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
po, it's a grand prize of 5,000, 3,000, and 2,000.
Tapos, sa mga lahat ng sumali, may 350 na kagad automatic.
Oo, automatic.
Nice.
Hanggang 20 contestant lang kami, sir. So, hanggang October 30 lang po yung last day ng submission ng kanilang entries.
Submission. May audition pa o submit lang?
Wala
okay
na
na.
po. Except na
first
naman
come, first serve.
talagang dumami siya, baka magkaroon po ng
Magpa-audition.
audition.
First come, first serve na rin. Ano? Yan.
Yes,
Ano pa?
Gaganapin po pala ito sa Subic Night Bazaar.
Okay.
Doon
Subic
po.
Night Bazaar is located at the usual
The RPG
usual Night
rides.
Bazaar
Opo.
location in front of the Subic Bay Yacht Club, right?
Yes, sir.
Apo, yan.
And then also yung Galaw-Galaw at Ihataw dance contest. Ito po yung open to all groups. I-endorse ka po dapat ng miyembro ng SBMPC. Pwede rin po sa anak ng miyembro or outsider, wag lang pong professional.
Basta
So,
endorsed by SBMPC,
Opo, members.
family members, ayan,
So,
kamag-anaks.
I'm inviting everyone, yung all amateur groups sa dance
Amateur lang, ha?
contest. Opo.
Ayan, o pagbigyan nyo na yung mga yung mga professional na nakikinig ngayon. Pagbigyan nyo na yung mga amateur, sila lang muna. Ayan.
O yung mga baguhan.
Mga baguhan.
Ang grand prize po is 10,000, 7,000, 5,000 po ang second runner-up. At ang consolation most likely 500 po.
Alright.
So, yun po, I'm inviting
That
everyone.
that will be on November 12.
November 12 po ito.
Yan.
Next Thursday po.
Next. So sunod-sunod
Mauna
na,
muna
no?
yung-
November 5. Thursday din yan, ano?
Singing Idol. And then, November 12, ito naman po yung Galaw-Galaw at Ihataw Co-op Dance Contest 2015.
Same venue, Subic Bay Night Bazaar.
Yes, sir.
Ayan. So tandaan nyo, Thursday is Co-op Day. Ayan. Every Thursday is Co-op Day dahil yung November 5 Thursday and then yung November 12 Thursday din. Yung Zumba naman, yun lang ang hindi Thursday, ano? Dahil it will be on
Thursday din pala.
Thursday din. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. October 29. Oh, puro Thursday. So,
Thursday.
yeah, remember.
Opo.
Thursday, Co-op Day. Yung mga
sir.
events ng Co-op natin.
Subic Bay Multipurpose.
Okay, so you're all invited. Co-op Zumba, Thursday, October 29. Then yung susunod na Thursday, Co-op Singing Idol at the Night Bazaar. And then November 12, Thursday na naman, Subic Night Bazaar, Galaw-Galaw at Ihataw Dance Contest ng Co-op pa rin natin. Yan. Okay. Wow. Anything else you would like to add, Sir Jigs?
Sorry, yung yung free flu vaccine ulit bukas, baka makalimutan
Flu vaccine.
po nila.
Bukas po yun, ha?
Bukas
Ayan. Siguro amin na lang yan para ma-promote namin yung mga poster mo. And ano. Oo, sa amin na lang. Don't call me sir. Wag din ma'am.
DJ, oo. DJ folks.
Ayan. Tapos, also, I would like to take this opportunity. Meron din to sariling atin din. SBMA, yung Halloween Shack din natin. Gaganapin na. After nyo mag-Zumba, diretso kayo doon sa Legenda Hotel para takutan naman. Masaya to, no? Magtatakutan tayo.
Back to back talaga.
Oo. Alam mo naman dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, punong-puno tayo ng event. October being the IP month, Indigenous Peoples Month, also the Cooperatives Month ang October. Ayan, ang daming event. You're looking for a gimmick, you're looking for an event, join us here at the Subic Bay Freeport. Ang dami niyong pwedeng pagpilian. Right.
Thank you,
so,
thank you.
With that, wala ka namang i-greet or... Yeah?
Lahat po ng member ng SBMPC as well as the management staff. At happy birthday pala kay Ma'am Laida Baltasar.
Happy birthday!
Oh, happy birthday, ma'am. And then all the PRD at lahat ng SBM employees.
Yan.
Magandang tanghali at pagpalain nawa tayo ng Panginoon Diyos.
Magandang tanghalian sa lahat. All right, thank you. All right, for sharing this beautiful piece of info to everybody. Okay, so going back to our regular programming. It's now 12:48 in the noontime. Only a couple minutes left.